Ma'am,
Nandun mo na niya ako yan.
Asa na?
Nasa near your microphone is open. O ano? You listen carefully.
pwede ma'am ma'am, ano na lang ma'am, pasensya na lang ma'am. Ano mo ma'am?
Gina-record ko lang sa book.
Ate,
Tarara.
Kuya
Gina-record ko ako.
Mahalan ka kamuya set. Listen carefully. Hindi ka mga plamati, mahala ka mo da. Hindi ka plamati, ah. Ano na lang kahapos? Number 1,
Arara.
golden mean. Number 2, golden number. Number 3, extreme and mean ratio. 4, medial section. 5, divine proportion. 6, divine section. 7,
Record.
golden proportion. 8,
Ginagawa.
golden cup. 9, mean of figures. So what will you do? You're going to look for the description or meaning of this in the books and then or in the web, and you are going to write it in a one whole sheet of pad paper. If one whole sheet of pad paper is not enough, use the other sheet, but do not write at the back. Did you understand? And this will be submitted on Friday.
Yapit sa Friday.
Ano nga, main spelling?
Araw, binakod ko.
Amo na yun, no? Main akot niyo. Araw na.
Okay naman. Okay na. Okay na. Kaya i-send ko na.